Welcome to Celebrity Spotlight Radio on YouTube, where we delve into the most intriguing developments in the world of space exploration. Today, we bring you an electrifying episode featuring SpaceX's remarkable achievement. We're diving into the details of their recent Starlink satellite launch, so let's launch right in. In the early hours of October 21, 2023, a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket ignited the California sky as it embarked on a mission to deliver 21 Starlink satellites. This liftoff took place at Vandenberg Space Force Base, and the clock struck 1:23 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time and 4:23 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This monumental event marked SpaceX's 22nd mission from the West Coast this year and the 75th orbital launch of 2023. The Falcon 9 majestically ascended into the cosmos from Space Launch Complex 4 East, following a southeastern trajectory. Remarkably, the first stage booster, which boasts an impressive 16th flight, had previously propelled missions such as Crew 1, Crew 2, SXM-8, CRS-23, IXPE, Transporter 4, Transporter 5, Globalstar FM-15, and ISI-ERA-C3, in addition to 6 Starlink deliveries. Following the main burn, which lasted about 2.5 minutes, the first stage gracefully landed on the drone ship Of Course I Still Love You, stationed approximately 400 miles downrange, or 644 kilometers in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Baja California. The 21 Starlink satellites deployed during this mission were the V2 Mini model, which is notably more substantial than their V15 predecessors. These next-generation spacecraft are equipped with advanced antennae and larger solar panels, enabling them to deliver 4 times the bandwidth of their predecessors. This launch marked the 28th deployment of the V2 Mini satellites since their introduction in February of this year. We trust that you found this episode of Celebrity Spotlight Radio both enlightening and captivating. If you did, please take a moment to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more captivating updates on SpaceX and Starlink. Additionally, you can catch the second launch of the day by clicking on the end screen at the conclusion of this video. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, stay inspired and keep your eyes on the stars.